Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, DJ Sbu has been trending. This thing is just dragging now, it's just dragging. So you guys know that he has been trending for humiliating or criticizing this guy who sells energy drinks on the streets, right? So DJ Sbu is trending because he wanted to buy more fire from this guy who sells on the road, but this guy said that he doesn't have more fire, and then he started saying that this guy is not a hustler, why doesn't he have more fire? And then he started flashing 200 rands on his face, that 200 rand that he wanted to use to buy that more fire. So now he went back and bought some stock, and gave this guy more fire, different flavors to sell, as a way to apologize, guys, as a way to apologize that he is indeed sorry, he didn't mean to humiliate him and stuff. And he also apologized on social media. But one thing about people, they will judge you guys. One thing about people, they will judge and criticize and all of that. So now people got I don't know, they got touched by the story, and then one good person also bought him stock and took the stock to him. So there's a post that I saw on Facebook, and it says, one thing about South Africa is that there is always good vibes in the midst of any story. This is the same guy whom DJ Sbu refused to give 200 because he didn't have more fire as part of his stock. A good Samaritan decided they will buy him more stock and give him some money. Now guys, people were criticizing DJ Sbu. Why did he create a video when he was giving this guy his stock some more fire? But now these people, it's a good thing that they did. They bought him stock and also gave him some money. Nah, but still, they took pictures, guys. They took pictures. So, like, people were criticizing DJ Sbu for taking pictures and videos, saying that he is using this guy for his brand. But now they go and do the same thing now, taking pictures of this poor guy, like, but it's a good thing that they bought him stock and also gave him some money, maybe to add to that stock. And guess Nakula stock that they bought, there is no more fire, guys. There is no more fire. You can see there Coke, Fanta Orange, Nabo Sprite, Dragon in a switch. More fire, I don't see it. I don't know, maybe it's there, but I won't. But yeah, they gave him some stock to sell because I guess maybe they felt sorry for him. They also wanted to empower him and make up for what DJ Sbu did. But DJ Sbu is losing fans for this, guys. He is really losing fans, and now people are starting to ask about this thing of him and Zahara. They're saying, Gutia ujwayele vele ukuuza abantu, you also used Zahara, you still owe Zahara money. Kuningi shem.